Hi everyone, my name is Ankita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about something that a lot of people are dealing with. It's called Mask Acne or Maskne, and this is the acne that comes from wearing a face mask for prolonged periods at a time. I've been dealing with this as well, and when you're wearing a face mask for a long period or a couple hours, your pores clog and eventually lead to buildup of bacteria under your skin, and that's going to cause a breakout. So I have a couple tips that I've been using that's helped my maskne improve. So I want to share those tips with you all. So the first step is to use a facial steamer. I have one from Conair. Got this years ago, so you probably get it from Amazon or something. The one that I use is the Facial Spa by Conair. I usually facial steam for about 10 minutes. You could try doing this once a week or maybe a few times a week, or maybe after a day when you feel you just are extra irritated and your skin is just... The facial steamer is really good because it's going to open up all your pores. It's going to promote blood circulation, and overall it's just going to be a great first step to this skincare routine. Okay, so now that you've steamed your face and let your face breathe, opened up all of your pores, you're going to use a gentle cleanser. So I just use this by Clarisonic. It's the Radiance Foaming Milk Cleanser. You want to be gentle on your skin. You don't want to be too harsh. That could possibly make your breakouts worse and irritate your skin. So a gentle cleanser. The perfect time to use a gentle cleanser is after you steam your face, because now that your pores are all open, the cleanser can really get into your skin and break down all the bacteria, the dirt, and the buildup that's inside your pores. So I'll wash my face and be right back. So once your face is all clean, you want to use a sort of face mask. This is going to rejuvenate your skin, further cleanse it, and just bring back all the natural oils and vitamins that might have been stripped away from using your cleanser. This is the step that just takes care of your skin and gives it those properties that your skin needs to be healthy. Okay, so this is called Multani Matti, which is an Indian clay, and it looks like this. It's an Indian purifying clay, and it's so good for your face. Like, it really helps remove the impurities. So what I did was take a little piece of it and put it in a little bit of water so that it becomes a paste. I'm just going to apply this on my face. I got mine from the Indian grocery store, but you can also order this from Amazon or go to a local Indian market near you. This clay mask is like everything. It just helps your skin so much and just really like purifies and cleanses your skin. So this is why I chose the Multani Matti clay mask. I actually have 4 DIY natural face mask recipes if you'd like to use one of those recipes, or whatever face masks that you have lying around in your house. So I'm going to keep this on for 10 minutes and wash it off. You can see my face mask is drying. Once it's all dry, it usually turns white. So in a few more minutes, I'm going to go wash it off. Make sure you wash your face with cold water after the face pack. This is going to close your pores back up so you don't have extra dirt going back into your pores. Okay, so I'm just drying my face, and just FYI, the way I took my face mask off is just using gentle circular motions, so this way I massage my face in the process. And when you wipe your face, you always want to pat and not rub. Okay, so the last step is to use some sort of facial oil. So what I do is use coconut oil. I just have mine filled up in a jar. I just take a tiny bit. You could use any facial oil that you like. Argan oil, rose oil, oil, really any oil that suits your skin type. So anyway, I'm using coconut oil today and just gently putting it all over my face. And then to top it off, I'm going to use rose water. Rose water is a really good toner. It's the same pH as the skin on your face, so it helps neutralize and bring back the pH of your skin. So just take some of my hand, pat it onto my skin. And that's it. That's this little Mask Acne skincare routine. It's helped my skin a lot, and I hope it helps yours too. So I would suggest doing this maybe a few times a week, or especially after a time where your skin feels extra irritated. I hope these tips helped you just as they've been helping me. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!